Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 30th of January 2022. We're going to talk about AMD today on this video. I want to see if the price is going to continue to go lower, because if so, I mean, this is not the time to buy the market in AMD. You're going to see a whole lot of people tell you to come in right now and buy these dips. They want to do the dollar cost average, but they don't know where the bottom is. We want to time the bottom of the market just to see whether or not this is the best price for us to get this particular type of stock, right? So welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Before I go into all of that, make sure you guys appreciate the videos, the price predict, that you hit the like button, that you share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. Also tap that bell notification because you don't want to miss out on whenever I upload my price predictions to YouTube. Also, to get the latest price predictions, make sure you come here to my channel, which is right here. Hit on this playlist tab, scroll down, find a particular type of market that you're interested in to see my latest thoughts about to where I think price is going to go. And look at this. 10,700 subscribers deep. Definitely want to say thank you to everyone who appreciate my videos and my content, because you are a part of the 1% of people who simply want to see price predictions without all of the fluff, without all of the analytical complexities of fundamental analysis and using technical indicators. Only thing you need is the price. Check this out. I did a video here on AMD on January the 8th, already telling you all that the price looks weak, that I was going to expect the market weakness to occur in AMD, and that's literally what has happened since then. Yeah, 15.4% was garnered out the market on January 24th, 2022. If you were to get out on the last close of Friday, look at that, 20%. Done. Simple, easy. This is why I'm trying to get you all to understand that you don't have to waste all of your time trying to figure out fundamental analysis, trying to waste your time doing technical indicators. You don't need to figure none of those things out. Just focus in on the price, because you think about it, everyone else who's really involved with AMD, they have already done their analysis. I mean, way before they hit the trigger button on the buy or sell, they come in and do their own due diligence. For us, all right, cool. We appreciate you all doing your own personal research, because I just need to come in and see what you guys think. And you can tell that by the chart. I mean, look at this. The market in AMD, the overall market was telling us since May of last year, right, that they wanted to keep this price from going down. Look at this. This was the trend. And then the market in AMD broke out. Okay, right there around $160, started to come down, and we tested this trend again towards the end of January 2022. Now, this is where we would have got the confirmation if the overall market wanted to continue to see price go up. Right, the market would have came through and supported this trend, and we would have saw the price go up from there. But did it happen? No, it broke the trend. So already the market is speaking to us. We should already know what the expectation is in the market in AMD. Would you come in and buy this market now, or would you wait, because the trend is now broken? Yeah, trend is broken. So in actuality, this is where support is now. So we need to continue to see this market in AMD hold this $100 price, period. Since that trend is broken, we don't need to follow it anymore. This is where the trend is now. Okay, this is where we are needing, or we need to see the buyers keep price from falling, $100. Now, guess what? If price breaks $100, then again, it tells you already that this market is still thinking weakness. It's not rocket science. Now, check this out. What do you think, though? Where do you think the next trend will be that the market will test? Do you think it's this trend, or do you think it's this trend? Because we need to follow. At some point, the market in AMD is going to stop dropping. At some point, right? At some point, it's going to stop. So this is going to be the next trend that I'm looking at. Okay, this one that started all the way back here in March of 2020. If we break this March trend in AMD, then we definitely need to question how strong this market really is. If we break that, I'm just giving you all a heads up. So you won't be scared. You won't be nervous as to, okay, why in the world is price going down? So we got two areas to ensure that we know buyers are controlling this market in AMD. First one, they are supporting price at $100. And then secondly, anywhere alongside this trend. So I would say we have about what, April time frame to actually get an answer to whether or not the buyers are going to continue to keep this price up. We got to April at least. Okay. So let me show you all what we got on a longer term basis, because we're about to end the month of January. So let's see what happened in the market in AMD on the monthly perspective, right? Now, I don't like that. I'm gonna keep it real. If you're a buyer into the market in AMD, this is not what you want to see. From a longer term perspective, it means that this market is massively weak. This one monthly price bar, right? This one monthly price bar literally has erased what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months of price action of us seeing this price go up. Gone. Erased. Like it never even happened. It's gone in 1 month. It takes a whole lot of energy to move a market. I don't want you all to think that it's easy when price goes up. No, it takes a whole lot of money to move these markets. And for us to see it gone in 1 month kind of tells you that the dynamics of AMD has changed. Now, this is AMD on the 2 weeks. So do I think that we could get a small bump up in price? Yes, we need to see that. So let me show you all this on the daily. That small bump could take us to 108 to 112. I'll do like around 115. We can see the price in AMD go all the way up to 115. Just to fool a lot of people into thinking that this market is done with going down. This is not the situation. We need to switch our mentality now and to not think that this is a bullish market yet. We haven't seen that just yet. And you guys can tell that we got earnings coming up next month. Yeah, February. You guys can see it down here. February the 1st, which is this upcoming trading week. This market is going to move in AMD. And I would suspect that the market will play off that and try to move this market up, because we have been so farly impacted of seeing price go down. We need to see another bump, another movement higher in price in AMD. It looked like it's due for that. This is it on the 3-hour chart. I like what's going on a smaller time frame. Yeah, I do like that we can possibly see a small up move in the price, but don't expect it to last long. I really want to set all of this into context. This is not one of those massively, buy the market here and sit on it for the next 100 years. Because the market, from a longer term perspective, monthly time frame, we can still see this price go down. So what I'm going to do on this particular price prediction is I'm going to play some strength. Yeah, I kind of like what happened over the last couple of 30-minute, 45-minute price bars, hourly price bars, to let me know that we might see a small move higher in price. And that's it. I'm here to tell you right now that I'm not looking for a monumental big movement up in price in AMD. No. So let me go ahead and drop this price prediction here in the market in AMD. This is not a long-term play. And I'm going to look for price targets. First area is going to be around 108. That's only 2.86%. So literally it's kind of like a get in, get out type play. Don't sit on this for a long time. No, not for AMD, especially with the earnings coming up. Next area is going to be around 112. Okay, 112 to around $112. That's about it. I'm not looking for the market to really give me too much out of that. Let me see what's going on in the 3-hour. Maybe to $114.25. So we got 108 first. I mean, literally be prepared to pull the trigger out the market at 108, because the market definitely is not in a bullish trend just yet. Second area is going to be 112. $112, and the third area is going to be like $114.27, $114.25, somewhere around that area. But that's about it. Okay, so I'm going to plot this on the chart. I want everyone to see what my premise is. This is a daily time frame prediction. Okay, I'm not looking to hold this all the way out for the monthly perspective, because the monthly price chart is telling us a different story. This is only on a daily time frame to see this price in AMD give us some up move. 108, 112, 114.25 are my price targets. All right, I'm done. It is your turn. Hit me up. Tell me your price target. Give me your price prediction in the market in AMD. So like I said, this is only from a daily basis. Okay, I'm not looking for this to be a long-term play here into the market in AMD. So just give me your prediction from a short-term basis. What is your daily price target into the market in AMD? You guys can see mine. I have told you what I'm looking forward to. So now I want to know, what do you look forward to in the market in AMD? Hit me up and let me know. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.